Everyone, in this video we will learn how to subtract the number and how to borrow. But why do we need borrowing? When you don't have enough of something and you need it, then you borrow it from someone. This is why we need borrowing. Once again, when you don't have enough of something and you need it, then you borrow it from someone. This is why we need borrowing. The same thing it is in number also. Number also need to borrowing something from other number. So let us see how we need to perform this subtraction. 32 minus 7. We know that in order to subtract, we need to subtract the digit which is in one's room. Which is in one's room first. So, I need to subtract 7 from 2. Once again, I need to subtract 7 from 2. But who is bigger? 7 is bigger than 2. We have to take away 7 from 2. But 2 is smaller than 7. 2 has not enough 7. 2 has not enough numbers. So that can give 7. Okay. So what we will do? What this 2 will do? It will go to 3 to borrow something. 2 will borrow 1/10 from 3. So 3 will give 1/10 to 2. 3 will give 1/10 to 2. So 3 has remained 2 tenths. 3 has remained 2 tenths and it gave 1/10 to 2. How? 10. Okay, 1/10 means 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1/10 means 10 ones. And 10 ones plus we have already 2. So 10 plus 2, 12. Now we have 12 at the ones place at top and 2 here at the tens place. So on the top we have 2 and 12 and at the bottom we have to subtract 7. Now 12 minus 7, 12 minus 7, it is very easy. Now we can take away 7 from 12. Otherwise we can speak like that. We subtract 7 from 12. So let's do. So let's start from 7 till 12. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So till 12 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 12 minus 7 we'll write here 5 and 2. 2 minus here nothing is given. So 0. 2 minus 0 it is 2. So our answer is 25. Let's do another. 31 minus 17. Now at one's place, at one's room, there is 1 and 7. We have to subtract 7 from 1. But 1 is smaller than 7. 1 7 से छोटा है. So we cannot subtract 1 from 7. If you have 1 chocolate and someone asks give me 7 chocolate, how will you give? It is not possible. So you have to borrow from other. So 1 will go to 3 and will borrow 1/10. So what 3 will give? 3 will give 1/10 to 1. And 3 has now how many remain? 3 has now 2 remain. 1 decrease. Okay, 3 में से 1 माइनस करो. 3 ने 1/10 दे दिया. So 3 has 1 decrease. So it has remained 2. And here 1/10 plus 1. 1/10 plus 1 it is 11. So here at one's room 11 at the top and 2 at the tens place. So now 11 minus 7. We will start after 7 till 11. So 7 say 8, 9, 10 and 11. Once again 7 say 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write at one's room 4 and 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 2 में से एक निकालो, it is 1. Okay, so our answer is 14. Next, 54 minus 28. 54 minus 28. Let's check first one's room. 4 minus 8. We have to subtract 8 from 4. But 4 is smaller than 8. So it is not possible. So what we have to do? 4 has to borrow 1/10 from 5. So 5 will give 1/10 to 4. And 5 has what remain? 5 already gave 1/10. 5 ने एक टेंस दे दिया. So 5 में से एक डिक्रीज करो, एक कम करो. So 5 has remained 4. And here 1/10 plus 4. 10 plus 4, 14. So 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. So from where we will start? We will start after 8 till 14. So 8 say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write at one's room 6. Now tens place 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So 2 से 4 तक count करो. Okay, 2 से 3 and 4. So we have only 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. Next, 65 minus 39. 65 minus 39. Let's check first one's room. It has 5 and 9. 9 is bigger than 5. We have to subtract 9 from 5. So it is not possible. So what we will do? 5 has to borrow 1/10 from 6. So 6 will give 1/10 to 5. And 6 has one decrease. 6 में से एक कम हो गया because it gave 1/10 to 5. So 6 has remained what? 5. And here 1/10 and 5, it is 15. Instead of this you can do like this also, 15. Now 15 minus 9. At the top we have 5 and 15 and bottom 3 and 9. 15 minus 9. We will start counting after 9 till 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6 and 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 3 say 4 and 5. It is 2. So our answer is same 26, 26. Now see 42 minus 21. 42 minus 21. At one's room 2 and 1. We have to subtract 1 from 2. Is it possible or not? Check करो तो 2 में से 1 मांगो तो. Yes, we can give 1 chocolate from 2 chocolate, 21. If you have 2 chocolate and someone asks 1, then you can easily give 1. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, it's 1. Now let's on second place 4 minus 2. 4 में से 2 निकालो. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 subtract करो. So it is only 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. Now see next 40 minus 70. 17. 40 minus 17. Now 0 minus 7. 0 कुछ नहीं है और 7 subtract करना है. We have to take away 7 from 0. But 0 has nothing. 0 has no value. So 0 has to borrow 1/10 from 4. So 4 will give 1/10 to 0. Okay. And 4 has one decrease. 4 gave 1/10. So 4 has one decrease. So 4 has remained 3. Now here 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So 10 minus 7. So How to count? We'll start after 7 till 10. So let's count 8, 9, 10. 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3 and 3 minus 1. 3 में से एक decrease करो तो yes it is 2. Next 92 minus 64. 92 minus 64. We'll check first at one's room. 2 minus 4 is it possible? पहले वो चेक करना है possible है या नहीं है. We have to subtract from 2. 2 चॉकलेट है और कोई 4 मांगता है. Can you give 4 chocolates from 2 chocolates? No. So 2 has to borrow from 9 from next place. Okay. So 9 will give 1/10 to 2. We can write like this also. 9 will give 1/10 to 2. So 9 has one increase. So 9 has remained 8. And here 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. It's 12. It's 12. So 12 minus 4. चलो 12 minus 4 करो. From where we will start counting? After 4 till 12. So 4 से 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So our answer is 8. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. So we'll start after 6. 7 and 8. Only 2. So our answer is 28. 100 minus 99. 100 minus 99. You can see at one's room 0. 10's room also 0. And 100's room it is 1. Now 0 minus 9 is possible? No, it's not possible. So this 0 has to borrow. But here also it is 0. We can borrow only at next place. But if it is not possible, we can go to next. So this 0 has to borrow from 1. So here this 100 will give 1/10 to a tens place. So 1 already gave 1/10. So 1 has remained 0. Okay. 1/10 already gave. So here 0. Now this has to borrow from this 0. So this tens will give 1/10 to 0. So this 10 has remained 9. And 10 plus 0, 10. Once again 0 is smaller than 9. So 0 has to borrow 1/10 from here. But here it is also 0. So it has to borrow from this one. These ones will give 1/10 at tens place. Okay. So it is 10 here first. Then it will give 1/10 to this 0. Okay. So here it give 1/10 and this 0 gave 1/10. So here it has remained only 9. 1/10 दे दिया है. So it has remained 9/10. Here 10 ones and 0 100. So at the top 0, 9 and 10 and bottom 9, 9. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 it is very easy. 10 में से 9 जा तो 1. But once again let's see. 9. 9 से count करो. 9 से 10. 1 only. So write here 1. 9 minus 9. 0. And 0 minus nothing means 0. So our answer is 1. Next 200 minus 17. 200 minus 17. Once again 0 minus 7 is not possible. So this 0 has to borrow from here. But here also 0. So it has to borrow from 2. So 2 will give 1/10 to this 0 first. So 2 has remained 1. Now here this 10, here this 0 will borrow 1/10 from this 0. So it has remained 9. 1/10 दे दिया है. Here this is the tens place, this one is the hundred place, and this one is the ones place. Ones, tens and hundred place. Okay. So you are thinking 10 दे दिया है तो here 0 रहेगा. No, it is the 10. It is the tens place. Tens place. From 10 tens. 10 tens, it gave 1 tens to this 0. So here how many ones? 10 ones. And here 9 tens. Okay. So 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. We will start after 7 till 10. 8, 9, 10. How many? 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3. 9 minus 1. 1 after we will start counting till 9. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1 minus nothing is given. So it means 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Next, 506 minus 28. 506 minus 28. One's room 6 minus 8 is not possible. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1/10 from next place. But it is 0. So what we will do? We will go at 5. So 5 will give 1/10 to 0. So 5 has remained. We will decrease 1 from 5. 5 में से एक कम करो तो 4. Okay. जब भी एक देंगे तब एक ही कम करना है. Okay. We will decrease it by 1. Here now this 10. 0 has now 10 tens. But 6 will borrow 1/10 from 0. So it will give 1/10 to 6 and 10. Here 10 tens has remained 9 tens. So 10 has remained 9 and here 10 plus 1, 16. You can write here 16. So 16 minus 8. From where we will start? We will start after 8 till 16. So let's start 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So write here 8. 9 minus 2. So from where we will start? After 2 till 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So write here 7. And 4 minus nothing is given. So 0. 4 minus 0, 4. So our answer is 478. Now we will solve some word problems from workbook, page number 54. Question number 12. Solve the following problems. First we will read one number. There are 236 students in the first standard and 185 students in the second standard of a school. The two standard, first standard and second standard, there are this many students. How many total students are there in both the standard? We already learned whenever total word will come, in all will come, that time what we will do? We will add. So in first standard and second standard, how many total students are there? That we have to find out. So what we will write first? 236 students in first standard plus, because we have to find the total, 185. 185 in second standard. Okay. Now addition, 6 plus 5. We will start after 6. 5 पहले 1 2 3 4 and 5 till here we have to count. We'll start after 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. We have 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 is carrying forward. Now at 10's place 3 plus 1 4 and then we have to add 8. So first we will see 8 numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 are here. We have 4. 4 में 8 add करने हैं. So we'll start after 4. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we have 12. So we will write 2 here and 1 is carrying forward. Otherwise you can write that 12 like this. Now here at 100 place 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. So there are 421 students in the both the standard. Next, 2 number. A factory made 280 bulbs on first day and 126 bulbs on second day. Then how many total bulbs were made during these 2 days in the factory? Once again total word came. So what we will do? We will add 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 2, 8 say 9 and 10. So we will write like this 10. Like this also you can write. It is easy. Here at 100 place 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. So there are 406 bulbs. Okay. And how to write the answer? If we want to write the answer in word problems, we will see the next question. What they ask. जो क्वेश्चन है वहाँ से हाउ मैनी टोटल बल्ब्स वर मेड ड्यूरिंग दिस 2 days इन द फैक्ट्री. हाउ मैनी टोटल बल्ब्स, क्या आंसर आया 406. सो 406 बल्ब्स वर मेड ड्यूरिंग दिस 2 days इन द फैक्ट्री. नंबर 3, इन ए गार्डन देयर आर 385 नीम ट्रीज एंड 287 अशोका ट्रीज. Neem trees and Ashoka trees. What they asked? How many total numbers of trees are there in garden? Once again total word came. We have to find out the total trees. Total neem trees and Ashoka trees. Total कितने हैं? So what we will do? We will add 385 plus 287. 5 plus 7. So we have to add 7 in 5. So we'll check, write first 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 are there. This 7 we have to add in 5. So we will start counting after 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We have 12. So we can write it 12 we have. So directly we can write 12 like this. Now here 1, 8 and 8. 8 and 8. 8 and 8 students, it is 16. But let's count here in the fingers. Okay. 8, you all knows 8. 3, 3, 6. Okay. These 3 we can write 5, 6, 4, 7, then 9. Okay. These students keep in mind every time. No need to count this all. Here we have to count the 8. We have to add 8 and 1, 9. And we add 8 into 9. So we'll start after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So we'll write 17. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 5 and 6. So our answer is 672. How to write the answer? Last question. How many total numbers of trees are there in the garden? So we'll write 672 total number of trees are there in the garden. Otherwise there are 672 trees in the garden. Number 4. A shopkeeper had 163 candles A salesman gave him another 239 candles. He has already 163 candles. And a salesman gave, उनको दी ज़्यादा another 239 candles. How many total candles does the shopkeeper have now? So first we have to find the total number of candles, and then we will see does the shopkeeper is the sum more or less than 400. So first we will add these two number of candles. 163 plus 239. 163 shopkeeper had already, and 239 salesman give. First we will see one's room 3 plus 9. We can add 3 into 9 or 9 into 3, both are same in addition. So easy way, 9 में 3 add करो, 9 से 10, 11 and 12. So 1 and 2, 12. Here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 7, then 8, 9 and 10. So how we will write? 1 and 0, 10. Now here 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 2 and 2, 4. So it is 402. So how many total candles does the shopkeeper have now? The shopkeeper have 402 candles. What they ask? Is the sum more or less than 400? 400 से more है या less है? We can see which number is bigger. Yes, 402 is bigger. So the sum is more than 400. Number 5. In a warehouse, there are 278 sacks of wheat and 492 sacks of rice. How many total numbers of sacks are there in the warehouse? So 278 and 492. So what they ask? Total. So this sum you have to do it yourself. 5 number and 6 number we have to find out the total. So what will you do? You have to add these two numbers. Number 6. Naman scored 169 runs in the first innings and 78 runs in the second inning. In first inning and second inning he scored this many runs. Then how many total runs? Total we have to find. So what we will do? We will add these numbers and then we'll compare this number with 250. So 5 and 6 number, do it yourself. Number 7. Sunil has 368 red marbles and 256 yellow marbles. Sunil has 368 red and 256 yellow marbles. How many marbles does Sunil have all together? All together, फिर से साथ में, दोनों साथ में मिलके कितने होंगे? So what we have to do? Addition. 368 red marbles plus 256 yellow marbles. 8 plus 6. Okay, 8 plus 6 करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. We have to add 6 in 8. So we will start counting after 8. So 8 say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have 14. So we can write 1, 4, 14. Here 6 plus 1, 7 and we add 5 into 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 we have. Now we have 6 and 1, 7. So we will start after 7. So 7 say 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So 12 we have 1, 2, 12. Now here at hundreds place 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 624. How many marbles does Sunil have all together? So we can write Sunil have 624 marbles all together. See the number 8. Naresh purchased a shirt cost rupees 549 and belt cost rupees 368. How many rupees did he spend in all? In all. I already taught you in all together, total, sum, this type of words will come. That time we will do the addition. उसने शर्ट भी बाय की और बेल्ट भी बाय किया. 2 things he bought. So साथ में मनी देने पड़ेंगे. So let's do the addition. 549 for shirt and 368 for belt. Now 9 plus 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Till here we will count. We'll start after 9. So 9 say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. We have 17. So we will write 17. 1, 7, 17. Now see at tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. We have 5 and we'll add 6 into 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to add this 6 into 5. So we'll start after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11. So how to write? 1, 1, 11. At last 5 plus 1, 6 and 6 plus 3, 7, 8 and 9. Our answer is 917. What they asked? How many rupees did he spend in all? So we will write he means Naresh. Naresh spent rupees 917 in all. 9 number. Mohit purchased oil cost rupees 678 and ghee cost rupees 299. Oil and ghee both he purchased. How many rupees did he spend in all? साथ में कितने रुपीस उसने खर्च किए ऑयल और घी के लिए? So what we will do? We will add 678 for oil plus 299 for ghee. Now 8 plus 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have to add this 9 into 8. From where we will start? After 8. 8 say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So 17 how we will write? 1, 7, 17. Don't forget by mistake don't add 1 carry at the next place. Okay. Now here 7 plus 1, 8. 8 and we have to add once again 9. 9 we knows already. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9 just now we have done. 8 plus 9, what is there? 17. But let's count again. 8 plus 9. 8 say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So we will write 1, 7 and 17. At last 6 plus 1, 7 and 7 plus 2, 7 say 8 and 9. So rupees 977. How many rupees did he spend in all? So Mohit spent rupees 977 in all. Next question, question number 13. It is on page number 55. Details of the fruits liked by the children of a school are given below. Write the answers to the questions on the basis of it. Children, boys and girls. Here it is given mango, banana and apple. 1 number. How many children like mango? How many children like mango? They ask children. We have to find out boys and girls both. Mangoes. So boys and girls दोनों करना है search. So what we will do? Addition. Okay, they ask not only boy or girl. They ask children. So we have to do the addition of the mangoes and boys and girls both. 9 plus 2. 9 में 2 add करो. 10 and 11. So we will write 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 and 3. 5 say 6, 7 and 8. And here 2 plus 2, it is 4. So how many children like mango? 481. Next question. How many children like apple? Apple, how many children like? Boys 186 and girls 98. So let's do addition. 6 plus 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Till here we will count. We'll start after 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have 14. So 1 we will write here and 4 at 1's place. Here at 10's place, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 and 9, 9 twos are 18. So we will write 18 like this. Here 1 plus 1, 2. So 284 children like apple. How many children like banana? Banana, how many children like? 169 boys and 177 girls. So let's do addition. So it is 346. 346. Next, how many total number of boys like mango and bananas? How many total number of boys? So we have to see the boys. Boys line and क्या है? Mango and banana. In boys, mango and banana. So we have to do the total of mango and banana of boys. So we can write here 242 plus 169, because mango 242 boys like and 169 boys like banana. So we have to find the total. So we will do the total. 200, here place is given, 242 plus 169. Okay. So 9 plus 2, 10 and 11. We will write here 11. Next place, 10th place, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 में 6 add करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will start after 5. 5 से 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So how we will write? We will write 11 like this. 1, 1, 11. 2 plus 1, 3 and plus 1, 4. So total 411 students like banana and mangoes. Student nahi, only boys. 5 number. How many total numbers of girls like banana and apple? Now what they ask, that we will read properly and understand it properly. Total. So for what we have to do? Addition. Now girl. So we will see the girls column. And here banana and apple. So banana and apple. Banana 177 plus apple 98. So we will add both this 177 plus 98. So answer is 275. Write here 275. Sixth number. How many total number of children like mango and apple? How many total number of children? They did not ask boys or girls. They asked children. So boys and girls like mango and apple. So kitne children mangoes? 481 children like mangoes and apple. 284 children like apple. So mango and apple, these two boxes will add 481 and 284. 765 children like mango and apple. Last, how many total number of children like banana and mango? Total number of children. Total number of children that we have to find out: banana and mango. Banana and mango. 481 plus 481 plus 346. Mango and banana, banana and mango. So then we will do the addition. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will start after 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we will write 1, 2, 12. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7 and 8. So 827 children like banana and mango. Write here 827. So students, write these sums with the pencil in your workbook and try to complete the workbook of chapter number 3, give and take, and write with the pencil in workbook. In notebook you can use pen. Thank you students.